Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's check out how to mute specific notifications in Trim. Don't want to be overwhelmed by alerts? Well, Trim makes it easy to mute specific notifications while still keeping the ones that matter most. Here's how you do it. First, open the Trim mobile app on your device and then tap the menu icon or settings in the gear top right corner. Then navigate to notifications or alert settings. You're going to see a list of all notification types like subscription alerts, spending alerts, bill reminders, and savings updates. Simply toggle off the notification you don't want to receive. For example, if you don't want to be notified every time Trim detects a recurring payment, you can just switch off recurring charges notifications. You want fewer alerts but still stay informed. Keeping high priority alerts like bill due dates or low balances warning turned on. And remember, you can update these settings anytime if your preferences change. And that's how you take control of Trim's notification so your phone only buzzes when it matters most. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to set do not disturb hours for alerts. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe so you don't miss out. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.